Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody, guys. Today we'll take a look at the on the euro currency. So euro currency shows really significant action to the upside. In fact, if you remember, we in general have discussed that the chance on the probability increases gradually that market should turn to some upside retracement. We have talked about it a couple of weeks ago when we have prepared the weekly research on the euro currency, and on the monthly chart, market was at the solid support area, and we said that probably some bounce should happen, since market was oversold on the monthly chart. But our suggestion was that market should form some reversal pattern to trigger this upward action. And initially we thought that this will be the butterfly. And until this moment, everything was very good. This market really was forming the butterfly. But after that, this retracement was not quite logical already with this butterfly. But with this final breakout that we've got yesterday, we could see that this butterfly has failed, since market has taken out of this top and erased this pattern. Maybe a bit later we will get some other pattern that will be a bit more extended. I don't know, maybe market will form something with a double top or something on maybe head and shoulders that will become the foundation for the upward retracement on the monthly chart. But right now we see that market at the weekly overbought, at the daily overbought, and the strong resistance cluster, because market has completed ABCD bottom 1618 extension here. So market has completed this inner ABCD pattern on the butterfly. Market stands at daily and weekly overbought. Market stands at monthly pivot resistance 1. Okay, and it stands at the point of the reversal pattern. So it means that in the nearest time, maybe tomorrow, the next week, it's very probable that market could turn to some retracement down. But as we said, as market has taken out of this top and has erased this bearish pattern, the upward action probably will continue. So in a medium-term perspective, we will check this in the weekend, and we will take a look at the bigger charts on the monthly, on the weekly, when we take a look at the CFTC data and the sentiment analysis. So if we will get the confirmation of this thought, then probably it will mean that market indeed has started the deeper meaningful retracement on the monthly chart, and usually it will be extended. And it means that in the short-term perspective, we need to search the chance for taking the long position, because market has turned to the retracement that we have anticipated, but it has turned to it, it's a bit another way, not quite as we have expected, because we thought based on some pattern, but this pattern hasn't been formed. The market just erased the partially completed this pattern, so part of the butterfly was in place, but market due to the fundamental data and yesterday's gross domestic product release and the comments from the Fed, so just skyrocketed yesterday to the upside. But since market stands right now the strong technical resistance, we probably should be ready for some bounce down. That will let us to take the position. And also the second moment is important in the long-term perspective, is that we should keep an eye on what pattern will be formed. Because if we will catch the pattern, that will let us to understand the correct target of the possible upward retracement. Because any pattern always points on the target. It points very clearly what to expect and where the target stands. So on the 4-hour time frame chart, as market has hit significant resistance, we probably should keep an eye on some levels to watch for as a possible target of this retracement. Personally, I think that this market really could reach that area, because I will show you guys these levels. This is from the major lows, so fib levels. Okay, so because that will be the confluence 108.90 approximately, 109.50. So this is 50-60 pips range. And take a look that this 618 level, fib support, approximately coincides with the 50% support of the major reaction point, right from the low to this top, the 50% level right here, because we know that the euro currency likes most of all the 50% levels. That's why I will not see any curious if market really will show this retracement. You could ask that, Sive, this is a bit deep retracement. That's right, it's not really very tight retracement, but we should take into consideration that market stayed overbought on the weekly chart and on the daily. That's why retracement could be a bit more significant. Anyway, first we need to get how this retracement will develop. If market, for example, will form some sort of the ABCD, in this case we will be able to estimate the target of this possible retracement more definitely. So that's all that we could say right now. So definitely that's not the time to take the short in the euro currency. I don't know, maybe the Greece will impact on the current situation, but it's very difficult to predict what really will happen. It's really something awful will happen. In this case, maybe a market will be able to destroy and erase all this growth that we see recently. But except the Greece, currently we do not see any signs that market should continue move downward in the short-term perspective. So it means that right now it's not really good idea to take the short position, only if you're a scalp trader and would like to trade on the overbought. But to take the long, it's a bit early because market sets the overbought and the resistance. You need to buy some deep. You need to wait some pullback. So that's our current view on the euro currency. Let's see, but the chances on the continuation of the retracement is really significant.